I don't ever know how to start videos, that's the thing. Every time I do it, it's just like, oh, hello. Okay, welcome back. We're here with the car. And now I'm gonna do the AC. And then I will take that and then I'll clip it whenever I actually start doing stuff. All right, is that the old one? That's the old one, right? Okay. All right, so I gotta get the AC hoses on now. I got the condenser, compressor, I got everything in. Not in, but I have it in my possession. You can talk if you want, it's not like... No, I'm saying because it's a little awkward and it's like I'm just talking.
That washer should be there for that or not?
I don't believe so, honestly. Okay. What?
No.
I gotta get the tray off. Which I think that just... Oh no, it doesn't. Okay. Cause this will go there. That'll go around. I think we might have to put the hoses just like that, boom, into the dryer, and then put the condenser in. Probably after, I think. So actually, when I first got the car, all the battery stuff was inside, so I have to put everything out, which is why there's so many wires everywhere. But everything does work, so I'm not really too worried about it. It's kind of a mess though. If I can figure out a way to like clean it up, I will, but for the time being, that's what's gonna have to happen. Ow. So I actually have to go to a junkyard to get all this stuff because all the battery tray and everything was out of the car. It's kind of, the wiring was kind of a mess. It still is a mess, don't get me wrong, but it's cleaner than what it was. And I'm not even gonna sit here and lie or nothing like that crazy, but like when we had to take all this stuff out, the bolts were just straight up broken in there. That was a headache. I did all that stuff before I got the GoPro, so I didn't get it on camera, but my God, man. All those things down there, that's why I got all the rust protection down there. But let's see, all this wiring, man. I wish I could like, just clean it up a little bit, but I just really don't know how to route it. Okay. So now, just gotta get this guy. There's oil. Oh yeah. All right. Cute.
Are they together?
Yeah. Yeah. Shout out to that guy though. He got all the stuff from the junkyard.
Right.
Yeah, but you know what I might do real quick? Okay. Cool. Oh. Shoot. Okay, cool.
Too short.
Yeah, you don't have a longer, like a slightly longer?
I'm sure we do.
That might work.
That one's nice actually. No, it's the same thing. So
That's fine. It's a little long. Oh, sorry. What is it? See, look, it's a little longer.
okay. How about this one?
I like this one because it's got this.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not threaded all the way. Let's see, I gotta find an O-ring for these guys now.
Thick enough?
Yeah. This should just pull out. Shoot. Alright, where's the bolt at? Okay. Okay. Oh, thank you. Insane, man. Nah. Okay, that'll probably go there. Okay. I got the thing painted. I'm gonna put it in now. I had to move the ground wire. I don't really know. I know the guy I bought it from probably didn't do this. So if you end up finding this channel somehow, I'm not clowning you, bro. I promise. Just need a small screw bolt guy.
Sometimes it comes in because you make the movie.
No. What is this? Why are there just random wires? Honestly, if anyone watches this and they know what some of these wires go to, bro, like comment anything, please. I'm still looking at stuff online to try to figure it out, but it's kind of hot out here too. Just a little bit. Honestly, just working with what I got right now. All right. I got the 1 in, I got the 2 in, I got a 3. Alright, we got that in. All the battery tray and stuff is back in, the bracket's on, so now this thing's full. Now, gotta get those lines routed behind here. And then I'll put on the condenser. And then fill up all the other lines. All right, I gotta break these two apart because I want to change the O-ring in this. Oh, those are already pretty loose. Okay.
You're using this?
What? Yeah. I'll just jangle this guy out of here. Alright, cool. Okay. Okay. I do that all night like that.
I'll tell you this, remember we got this here too. Look. I don't know if you do that. We got some more.
Yeah. No. Need one for this side. That no. Okay, cool. So now, get this bad boy around it. Oh, I need that up here. Yep. Bob? No, it's all good. Hey, what happened to the, I bought a new dryer.
You should have a still in the box.
I found it, so now I got my dryer. Just gotta get the sensor in. Hopefully that's working, because if not, I'll just buy a new one, but still, it'd be kind of great if it did work. How can I? Yeah. Ow. Oh my god. Alright, cool. So, now, still seems pretty clean. Sorry if I'm dead today, but dude, I'm so out of it, man. I could not sleep last night. Now I'm chilling here. Trying to get my AC together. Cool. Just pull off now. Nice. Yeah, it was a good catch because that would have been kind of annoying. Alright, so now I probably just gotta take it off here. I gotta get new tires, man. Look at that, jeez. Let's see. It's like playing that carnival again. There you go. Okay. So gotta ride it like that. Boom, boom. Behind that. Boom. Right here. Got that guy there. So now this guy goes on like this. On bottom curve, there's another one. All right, let me figure out the dryer situation then.
Maybe you haven't either.
Rip squat.
This levels to everything I reach. I was been on, still streaming. Oh, trying to stop it, but can't beat that feeling.